Hi friends, I get here my new ironing board. I am gonna open it with you and take it off of the box already. But I'm gonna open it here with taking off this plastic. So the best thing that I love about this ironing board is that you can save so much space because you can establish it like this because it's playable. So I'm gonna open it right now. Ooh. You can adjust the height in this part, so you can use it in the height that you prefer. This is perfect to me. Another thing that I love about this product is that came with this cover, so you can use it in your iron board to establish it and set in space. And came with this other product that is a silicone base for your iron machine. I have here mine. It's already connected and it's hot. You can see the light on. So you can use your iron board so comfortable because it's so stable, as you can see. Don't move. This material is so resistant, so I can put my iron machine there and any happens in the material, and I can use this silicone base to put my iron machine to, and anything pass, as you can see. So that protects you to any accidents for burnings or something like that. I love this design. I think that is beautiful and have the perfect size and the perfect surface for use your iron machine in your clothes, comfortable, and with the perfect height that like I said, you can adjust it. So as you can see, this iron board is so easy to operate, so easy to use. You can establish and save space when you don't need it more. So I highly recommend it. See you.